श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्री कृष्णाय नमः। ओम कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः। प्लीज रिपीट इट। कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः।
गोविंदाय नमः।
Is anybody to repeat this one?
कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः।
Then Elena.
कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः।
Natasha.
कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः।
Girirani.
वासुदेवाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः।
Lucia.
कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः।
Tulasi.
कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरये प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः।
Lucia. Abutva. Tulasi Devi.
Меня слышно?
Да.
Меня слышно, да?
Кришная Васудевая.
Харая Параматмане Клеша
Нашая Говиндая Намо Намаха. Наталья.
कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः।
Anna.
कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः।
Shweta.
कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः।
Kiritida.
कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरये परमात्मने
प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय
प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः।
Together. We will sing together, okay? Krishnaya Vasudevaya Haraye Paramatmane Pranatakleshanashaya Govindaya Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya. Repeat it. Ramachandraya Vedase Raghunathaya
नाथाय
Sitayaha Pataye Namaha. Yes. Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya Vedase Raghunathaya Nathaya Sitayaha Pataye Namaha. In the morning, and totally we pray Rama and Krishna. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. When we start the day from Rama and the day ends with Rama. Ramam skandam hanumantam iti shlokaha vartate. Ratrau, in the night when we are going to bed, and that time also we will chant the shloka of Rama. Agrato narasimhascha prushthato gopinandanaha ubayoh parshvataschaiva rakshet sasharau Rama Lakshmanau iti vartate. Agrato narasimhascha. In front of me, Narasimha will protect me by front side. Agrato narasimhascha. Prushthato gopinandanaha. From back side, Sri Krishna will protect me always. Ubayoho parshvataschaiva. Besides of me, from two sides, Rama and Lakshmana will protect me. So, I'm not afraid from anybody. No fearance from me, because all these devas are protecting me in all ways. Agrato narasimhascha prushthato gopinandanaha ubayoho parshvataschaiva rakshetam Rama Lakshmanau. Okay. Anantaram idanim bhavatyaha nama kim bhavataha nama kim mama nama Muralidharaha mama nama acharyaha bhavatyaha nama kim mama nama Lucia Girirani Natasha. Anantaram atra Ramaha tatra Ramaha kutra Ramaha Sarvatra Krishnaha. Anantaram yada tada yada Ramaha gacchati. Gacchati means he walks, he moves. Yada Ramaha gacchati tada Sita vadati. Tada Sita nrityati. Tada Sita khadati. Yada Ramaha gacchati, when Rama goes, when Rama is going, and that same time, tada Lakshmanaha anusarati. Lakshmana follows Ramachandra. Lakshmanaha anusarati. Yada and tada. These, both of these words interly connected with both of these words. Which one? Yada and tada. Whenever you use yada, you must put tada also. Whenever we put tada, so there must be the word yada also. Yada aham khadami. Whenever I am eating, tada aham kshiram pibami. Jalam pibami. Jalam means water. Jalam, water. Tada aham jalam pibami. Pibami means to drink. Okay. I drink water. Whenever I am taking food, that same time I will drink water. Okay. Yada aham khadami tada aham pibami tada aham gacchami tada aham nrityami tada aham dhavami. There are so many verbs. Tada aham smarami, sprushami, tishtami, upavishami, gacchami. These are all the verbs. We can use all these type of verbs. And yada, tada. And kada means when. Kada, when. Okay? Kada. And also kada. Tada, yada, kada. Anantaram punaha. Anantaram asmabihi kimuktam. Yeshaha mama mitram. Aham bhavati kutaha agacchati. Where are you coming from? Bhavati kutaha agacchati. Athava bhavan kutaha agacchati. Where are you coming from? The answer is aham shalataha agacchami. I am coming from school. Shala means school. Okay. Aham grihataha. I am coming from home. Aham apanataha. I am coming from market. Aham vipanitaha. I am coming from what? I am coming from Vipani. Vipani means shop. Shop. I am coming from shop. Aham dakshinataha. I am coming from the right side. Aham vamataha. I am coming from the left side. Aham prushtataha. I am coming from back side. Aham agrataha. I am coming from front side. Front. Aham upari. Uparitaha. Upari means
Сверху.
Pramah.
From the top side. From the top side. Okay. Russian bhashayam kimuchyate?
Sverhu.
Okay. Uparitaha. Anantaram. Kimartam means why. Kimartham Ramaha gacchati. Kimartham. Kimartham means why. Why Rama is going? Kimartham Ramaha gacchati. Kimartham Ramaha gacchati. Bhojanaya Ramaha gacchati. Bhojanaya means to eat. Kimartham Ramaha gacchati. Why Rama is going? Bhojanaya Ramaha gacchati. Athava Pathanaya Ramaha gacchati. Pathanam means to read. Pathati. Pathati patanam. Khadati khadanam. Vadati kathanam. Okay. Sprushati sparshanam. Gacchati gamanam. Dhavati dhavanam. So Ramaha dhavanaya gacchati. Ramaha sparshanaya gacchati. Like that. Okay. Kimartam means why. Kimartam samskritam avashyakam. Kimartam samskritam avashyakam. Avashyakam means necessary.
Необходимо.
What is the necessary to read Sanskrit? What is the necessary? Kimartham samskritam avashyakam. Sri Krishnasya jnanartham athva jnanaya samskritam avashyakam. To achieve the knowledge of Sri Krishna, Samskrita is necessary. Okay? Samskrita. Krishnasya jnanaya samskritam avashyakam. Bhagavad Gitayaha jnanartham samskritam avashyakam. भागवतस्य ज्ञानार्थं संस्कृतम आवश्यकम. Sanskritam, for what? Why we are reading Sanskrit? Because to know the Bhagavata very well. So we want Sanskrit to study. Bhagavataya Sanskritam avashyakam. Okay, like that. Anantaram kopi visheshaha. Adya means today. Adya kopi visheshaha asti. Adya kopi visheshaha asti. Today, is there anything special? Adya kopi visheshaha asti. Today, is there anything special? Kaha visheshaha? What news? Kaha visheshaha? What news? Kopi visheshaha nasti. Nothing. Kopi visheshaha nasti. No special. Today there is no special news. Okay. Anantaram asmabhihi kim uktam adya. Idani means now. Adya means today. Idanim means now. Idanim aham samskritam patami. Now I am studying Sanskrit. Adya today. Idanim now. Idanim aham samskritam patami. Now I am studying Sanskrit. Shvaha aham samskritam patishyami. Okay, that is in future tense. Sarvada aham samskritam patami. Always I read Sanskrit. Sarvada aham samskritam patami. And anantaram aham samskritam patami. Kada bhavan samskritam patati? When are you reading Sanskrit? Aham anantaram samskritam patami. Anantaram means afterwards I read Sanskrit. Athava sarvada aham samskritam patami. Always I read Sanskrit. Athava prataha aham samskritam patami. Prataha means in the morning. Prataha in the morning. Prataha aham samskritam patami. Sayam aham samskritam patami. Sayam means in the evening. Sayam in the evening. Sayam aham samskritam patami. Anantaram madhyane, in the midday, samskritam aham patami. Madhyane. Aparanne, aparanhe means afternoon. Aparanne aham samskritam patami. Ratru aham samskritam patami. Ratru means in the night, in night. Ratru aham samskritam patami. Anantaram tenses. Tense. Present tense. Present tense. Pathati, patataha, pathanti. Pathati means singular form. reading. One person is reading. Pathatah, two persons are reading. Pathanti, pathanti, many persons are reading. Pathati, one person, singular. Pathatah, two persons. Pathanti, many persons. Three and many persons. Pathanti. Ramaha patham pathati. Ramo, two Ramas. Ramo patham pathataha. Ramaha patham pathati. Ramo, that means two Ramas are reading the lesson. Ramo patham pathataha. Ramaha patham pathanti. Many Ramas, three and more Ramas are reading the lesson. Ramaha patham pathanti. Ramaha patham pathati. Ramo patham pathataha. Ramaha patham pathanti. Idanim Kumudakshaha vadati. Please put the word Krishna in the place of Rama. Okay? Krishna.
Krishna patham Krishna patham patati.
Krishna
patham patati. Krishna.
Yes. Two Krishna.
To Krishna. Krishna patham patamaha. Patataha, sorry. Patataha.
Yes.
And then Krishna patham patamaha.
Pathanti.
Oh, sorry. Patanti.
Yes. Idanim Bhakti Vijnana Goswami will form the sentences by using the word Madhava. Okay?
Madhavaha patham pathati.
Yes.
Madhavo patham pathataha.
Yes.
Madhavaha patham pathanti.
Very fine. Okay? Like that only. Krishna Govindaha. Idanim Natasa vadati. Govindam Swikritya. Taking the word Govinda. Okay. Govindaha.
Govindaha patham pathati.
Yes, Samichinam. Anantaram.
Govindau patham pathadaha.
Yes. Then plural.
Govindaha
Very good.
patham pathanti.
Very good. Perfect. Govindaha patham patati. It is in the singular form. Govindau patham patataha. It is in the dual form. Dvivachanam. And the plural one. Bahuvachanam. Govindaha patham pathanti. Fine. Very fine. Now, Elena. Rama, Krishna, Govinda, Mukundaha.
Mukundaha patham pathati.
Samichinam.
Mukundau patham
Yes.
pathataha.
Yes, fine.
Mukundaha patham pathanti.
Samichinam. Anantaram. Lucia, kam svikaroti. Whom you want to put the word? Rama, Krishna, Govinda, Mukunda, Madhava, Keshava, Narayana.
Krishnaha Padham Padhati. Krishnau Padham Padhataha. Krishnaha Padham Padhanti.
Natalia. Natalia vadati.
Нарайна
Samicina. Patham.
Падхати.
Huh.
Нарайно Падха
Patataha.
Нарайнаха
Very good.
Падханти.
Patham Pathanti. Yes. Okay. Narayana, you Natalia, muted. Okay. Narayana
Нарайнаха Падхам Падхати.
Patanti. Samichinam. Idanim Patati. In the place of Patati, Bhakti Vijnana Swamiji puts the word Khadati. Okay? Khadati means, what is the meaning of Khadati? To eat. Okay? To eat. And Khadati. Kaha Ramaha. Ramaha Kim Khadati. What he eats. Ramaha Phalam Khadati. Phalam Khadati. Okay? Now, his thoughts.
Ramaha phalam kadati. Ramo phalam kadataha. Ramaha phalam phalani kadanti.
Ramaha Phalam Kadanti is also good. Because there is one fruit and too many Ramas are eating one fruit. It is possible. Okay? Or they are having the different fruits. Phalani means that is in Bahuvachana. Okay? Phalam, phale, phalani. Phalam means one phala, that is one fruit. Phale, two fruits. Phalani, many fruits. Okay? Phalam, one fruit. Phale, two fruits. Phalani, three and more fruits. Idanim Elina vadati. Rama eats many fruits.
Ramaha Kalani Kadati. Kadanti. Kadanti.
No, I told only one Rama.
Okay.
It is not possible.
Ramaha Kalani Kadati.
Kadanti. That is wrong. That is wrong. What you told, that is perfect. Ramaha, that is singular form. So, the verb must be in the singular form. Maybe the fruits are more, but one can eat more fruits also. So, Ramaha Phalani Khadati. She said perfect. Okay? Her answer is okay, perfect. And use two Ramas. Two Ramas are eating one fruit. Two Ramas. For two Ramas, what is the word? Ramo. Correct. Ramo. Then.
Kadati.
Phalam Kadataha.
Correct. Perfect. Because this verb always follow the noun form. There are two Ramas. So, two Ramas are eating one fruit. It is possible. So, Ramo Phalam khadataha. Correct. And many Ramas are eating many fruits. Helena,
Ah, okay.
many Ramas are eating many fruits.
Ramaha,
Ramaha.
Ramaha, Halani, Khadanti.
Correct. Ramaha phalani khadanti. Correct. Perfect sentences. Okay. Idanim Kumudakshaha vadati. One Rama eats 2 fruits.
Rama.
Rama.
Phale. One Rama.
Phale means 2 fruits. Okay.
Ramaha Phale. One Rama, right? One Rama. Ramaha Phale Khadati.
Correct. Correct. We should not say Khadataha. Maybe the fruits are 2, but Rama is 1. So that is Rama is called Kartrupada. Kartrupada. Okay. He is the noun form. Kartru. That is subject 1. The phala is object 1. So the verb always follows the Kartrupada, the subject. So if Rama is 1, then the verb is also in singular. If the Kartru Rama is 2 in form, then the verb also get dvivachana, dual form. And if Ramas are more, then the verb.
Samyatam. Eknimesham anantaram conference samaptam bhavati into ekameva link punah
Kartum shakyate.
kartum shakyate.
Shakyate.
Ekameva link punah kartum shakyate 40 minutes.
Okay. Idanim Shweta vadati idanim. Shweta, please note it. Many Ramas are eating one fruit.
Ramaha,
Very good.
but yes.
Hari Om.
No.
It is continued.
Sarve pratiksham kurvanti.
Bhakti Vijnana Swami Samichinam Karoti. Idanim Shweta, many Ramas are eating one fruit.
Bhalam, Bhatrataha.
Naima. Patataha means reading.
Patataha.
Naim reading.
Khadanti.
Khadanti, yes.
Kadantaha.
Nobody having a fruit in their hands. Nobody is interested to study. They want to eat it. Okay? Ataha Ramaha Phalam Khadanti. Okay, fine. Another. Who will form the sentence now? Madhava Mohini, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Then yes. Bhavatyaha nama kim? Mama nama.
Mama nama Madhava Mohini.
Samichinam. Idanim vadatu. One Rama eating 2 fruits.
Ramaha Phale Khadataha.
Naiva. Is it perfect?
Khadati.
Khadati.
One Rama. Ramaha
Yes.
Phale Khadati.
So now Elena says Rama eats more fruits. Huh? Elena?
Oh.
One Rama eats more fruits. Huh?
Ramaha Phalani Khadati.
Very good. Phalani khadati va khadanti va? Natalia.
Рамаха Пхалани Хадати.
Yes. Samichinam. Shweta vadati idanim. Two Ramas eats two fruits.
Раму
Yes.
Пхале
Yes.
этот
Taha.
Кадатаха.
Yes. Kirtida vadati idanim. Kirtida, Anna, Lucia, Sarve vadanti. Kirtida vadati Krishnaha. Lucia vadati Mukundaha. Anna vadati Madhavaha. Okay. Madhava eats one fruit. Lucia, Krishna eats two fruits. And Kirtida, Madhava eats many fruits. Anna's thoughts.
Madhavaha Phalam Kadati.
Samichinam. Anantaram, Lucia. Quick.
Krishnau Phale Kadataha.
Very fine. Then, Kirtida.
Madhavaha Phalani Kadati.
Kadati. Correct. Because one Madhava. Now, Prema, do you follow this one?
No, I just joined.
Yes. That's why I am asking. So, Ramaha Phalam Khadati. Ramu Phalam Khadataha. Ramaha Phalam Khadanti. Now, Madhava Mohini says, Rama is not eating a single fruit. Rama touches. Rama, 1 minute. Rama touch the fruit. Touch a single fruit. Okay? Start. Ramaha
Phalam na khadati.
Samichinam. Ramaha Phalam
Phalam na khadati.
Okay, then Rama is not eating fruit. Next, Rama only touches the fruit.
Arshati.
Touching.
Saha Phalam Sprishati.
Yes.
Ramaha Phalam
nakadati. Ramaha Phalam Sprishati. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Ramaha Phalam na khadati. Ramaha Phalam Sprishati.
Samichinam. Prema?
Yeah.
It's okay now?
Yeah.
Then, idanim Yelena vadati idanim. Rama is not touching the fruit, but Rama eats two fruits.
What fruits?
Rama is not touching the fruit. Rama is not touching the fruit, but Rama eats two fruits.
Okay. Ramaha Phalam na sprashati.
Correct. Ramaha Phalam na sprishati.
Ramaha Phalam Phale.
Not one, two.
Phale
Yes.
Phale khadati.
Khadati, correct. Khadati va khadataha va?
Khadati.
Why?
Mm. I don't know.
Because Rama is in singular
One.
form.
Okay, yes.
Rama
Ekavachana.
is one.
Ekavachana. Because they-
Ekavachanam. Samichinam. Rama is in Ekavachanam. So the verb must be in Ekavachanam. If the Rama, Sita or somebody become Bahuvachana, then the verb also turns in Bahuvachana. Okay, Prema Devi, Prema Mai, Vadatu Idanim. Krishna eats many fruits.
Krishnaha. I don't know phalam plural.
Phalam means one.
Yeah, I know, but I don't know plural. I don't remember.
Phale means two. Phale means two. Phalani means
Phalani.
3 and more. Okay.
Okay. Krishnaha phalani na khadati.
Nakadati. Then what he does? Krishna phalani na khadati. That means Krishna is not eating fruits. Then Krishna
Krishnaha phalani pashyati.
Oh, very samichinam. He used another verb. Pashyati means to see. Okay. इदानीं कः नतालिया वदति इदानीं नतालिया वक्तव्यं Rama is not going to forest. Forest means vanam. Vanam means forest. Okay. Forest means no. Okay. Rama is not going to forest, but Rama is going to school. School means shala. Okay. Rama.
Рамаха на Гачхати вагам. Рамаха Gachhati Phalam.
Ramaha Vanam
Gachhati.
Nagachati.
Nagachati.
Nagachati. Then
Ramaha Phalam Gachhati.
Shalam Gachati. Samichinam. Ramaha Vanam Nagachati. Ramaha Shalam Gachati. This is the way that we are forming the sentences. Okay, it has become very easy. Here, now I am telling the another type of verb, that is in future tense. Please note it. That is in future tense, not now. Okay, that is not in present tense. But that verb is also very easy to know because I am telling vadati, that is in the present tense. Put the word vadishyati. Okay? Vadati, vadataha, vadanti. It is in present tense. But in the future tense, vadishyati, vadishyataha, vadishyanti. Please write down. Vadishyati, vadishyataha, vadishyanti. That means Rama is not telling now. He tells tomorrow. Ramaha patham vadishyati athava patishyati khadishyati gamishyati, like that. Kumudakshah idanim vadati. Rama is not eating the fruit now. He
Rama.
eats, one minute. That's my sentence is not completed. Rama, tomorrow, Rama eats the fruit. Today, Rama is not eating the fruit. Tomorrow, Rama eats the fruit. Okay? Start now. Rama.
Adyaha.
Today means I will tell. Today, Adya. Tomorrow, Shwaha. Okay? Tomorrow means Shwaha. Today means Adya. Tomorrow means Shwaha. Mohini, do you understand it?
Yes.
Yes. Samichinam. Kumudakshaha vadati idanim. Ramaha.
Ramaha. Adyaha Ramaha.
Adya. No, we should not put visarga to Adya.
Okay.
Because the word Adya is avyaya. That is indeclinable. That is called avyaya. It never changes. There is no singular, plural or dual form for Adya. It always stands Adya. Idanim, Tada, Kada. These are all the words are called avyayas. Avyayas means it is indeclinable words. It never takes any forms other than this. Adya, Shwaha, Parashwaha, Hyaha, Tada, Yada, Kada. These are all the words same. Only it stands in the same way. Okay? Kumudakshaha vadati. Aham vadami. Pratamataha. First I will tell. Anantaram. Ramaha adya halam na khadati. Okay? Today, Rama is not eating the fruit. Ramaha adya phalam na khadati. Ramaha shwaha phalam khadishyati. Okay? Kudaksha, put the word Madhava. Put the word Madhava.
Okay. Adya Madhava Palam Nakadati.
Khadati.
Tatapi Madhavaha Palam Kadisyati. Palam Swaha Palam Kadisyati.
Very good. Shwaha means tomorrow. Whenever we want to say tomorrow or afterwards, then the verb form will become changed Kadishyati. That is in future tense. Khadati, it is in present tense. Vadati danim. Gacchati, future tense is Gamishyati. Please note it. Gacchati, present tense. Gamishyati, future tense. Sprushati, present tense. Sparshishyati, sprushati, present tense. Sparshishyati, future tense. Khadati, present tense. Khadishyati, future tense. Okay, Girirani? Khadati, present tense. Khadishyati, future tense. Okay?
Ой, мне что, нужно просклонять глагол?
Vadati, vadati, present tense.
Vadishyati,
vadishyati, that is, yes. Vadishyati, vadishyataha, vadishyanti. Yes. Vadati, vadataha, vadanti. It is present tense. Okay. Vadati means to tell. Vadati, vadataha, vadanti. Now it is in the present tense. Vadishyati, vadishyataha, vadishyanti. That is in future tense. Like that, gacchati, gacchataha, gacchanti. Gacchati, singular form. Gacchataha, dual form. Gacchanti, plural form. 3 and more persons are going. Okay? Khadati, khadataha, khadanti. Future tense, khadishyati, khadishyataha, khadishyanti. Okay? And then, whatever you want, please ask me. Smarati, to remember. Smarati means to remember. Smarati, smarataha, smaranti. I will form a sentence now. Ramaha phalam smarati. Rama remembers the fruit. Ramaha phalam smarati. Ramaha Sitam smarati. Ramaha Sitam smarati. Smarati means to remember. Rama remembers Sita Devi. Okay. Smarishyati, smarishyataha, smarishyanti. That is in future tense. Ramaha Sitam smarishyati. The other things are all same. Please note it. All the other things are same. It means Ramaha smarishyati, Ramau smarishyataha, Ramaha smarishyanti, Ramaha smarati, Ramau smarataha, Ramaha smaranti. Okay, Kumudaksha? It is okay now? अर्थज्ञानम् अभूत् वा? इदानीं वक्तव्यम्. इदानीं कुमुदाक्षः संस्कृतभाषायां सः वदति इदानीं Rama not remembers Sita Devi, but tomorrow he remembers Lakshmana. Okay? Rama today, he is not remembering Sita Devi, but tomorrow Rama remembers Lakshmana. Start.
Okay.
Ramaha.
Adya Ramaha Sitam Nasmarati. Tathapi Swaha Ramaha Lakshmanam Smarisyati.
Correct. Perfect. Okay. 100% perfect. Adya Ramaha Sitam Nasmarati. Today, Rama is not remembering Sita Devi. Tomorrow, that means Shwaha, Ramaha Lakshmanam Smarishyati. Okay? Samichinam. Idanim Mohini vadati idanim. Today, Rama is not eating the fruit. Tomorrow, Rama sees Sita Devi. Pashyati means to see. Okay?
Okay. Adya Ramaha Phalam Khadati,
Khadati
Shvaha.
va? Na khadati.
Khadati, sorry, khadati.
Na
Phalam
khadati.
khadati. Phalam na khadati.
Yes.
Shvaha. Пашяйти. Кого увидит, я забыла.
Rama, Sitam.
Sitam.
Шваха ситам пашяйти.
Naima. No, I'm no. Myself, I didn't tell that word for future tense, that is pashyati. Okay? Pashyati, it is in present tense only. Pashyati. Drishyate. Drishyati. Drishyati. That is future tense. It takes a little change. Okay? Pashyati, it is in present tense. Drishyati, it is. Then idanim, Elena vadati idanim, Rama is not talking to Sita Devi today. Okay? Rama is not talking to Sita Devi today, but Rama is going to the forest tomorrow. Okay.
What talking in Sanskrit?
Whatever it may be. Rama is not talking to Sita Devi today.
What talk in Sanskrit? Talk in Sanskrit.
Talk means, you know, vadati.
Vadati, okay.
Yes.
Okay. Ramaha adya
Samichina.
na vadati Sita.
Sitam. Samichina.
Okay.
Ramaha adya Sitam na vadati. Okay,
Yes.
then.
Ramaha Shvaha.
Tomorrow.
Shvaha. Shvaha. Gachhashyanti. Okay.
Go to forest.
Vanam.
Gachati.
Gachhati.
Gachati va? Shweta? It is.
No.
Gachati is okay?
No.
It is Gamishyati.
Gamishyati, okay.
Yes. Gachati is in the present tense. Gamishyati, it is in the future tense. Okay. Idanim Shwetayaha avasaraha. It is the time for Shweta. Avasara means the perfect time. Avasaraha means the perfect time. Shweta idanim vadati. Sita, today Sita is not eating the fruit. Today Sita is not eating the fruit. Tomorrow Sita will go to school. Shweta. Adya.
Sita.
Yes.
Na phalam.
Khadati.
Na khadati. Sita phalam na khadati.
When? Today.
Adya.
Yes. Then tomorrow.
Tomorrow Shvaha.
Yes.
Shvaha. Shvaha.
Sita.
School.
School means Shala.
Шала.
Shvaha Sita
Шваха.
Shalam Gamishyati.
Гамишьяти.
Yes,
Гамишьяти.
Gamishyati.
Гамишьяти.
Kirtida idanim vadati. Possible? Today, Rama is not going to school. Tomorrow, Rama will go to the forest.
Адья Рама шала на гамачи. Гачати.
Yes.
Шваха Рама гамишья. Шваха Рама ванам гамишьяти.
Samichinam. Manam Gamishyati. Idanim Mohini vadati idanim. 3 Ramas are not eating the fruits. Please note down. 3 Ramas are not eating the fruits. Fruits also in the plural form. Then, okay, not yet, not completed. And tomorrow, 2 Sitas are eating the fruits.
Adya Ramaha. Adya Ramaha Phalani Nakadanti.
Yes, correct.
Shvaha Sitaha.
Sita.
Shvaha Sita.
Sita eats 1 fruit.
Shvaha Sita. Phalam Khadati. Phalam.
Kadati va? Prema, is it okay? Kadati?
Kadashyati. Kadishyati.
Because that is tomorrow, not today. Okay? I think all are understood, okay, about the future tense and the present tense. Once again, I will repeat all the words and all the sentences now. Please follow it. Ramaha adya phalam khadati. Ramaha shvaha phalam khadishyati. Krishnaha adya shalam na gacchati. Rukmini shvaha shalam gamishyati. Elena adya patham na pathati. Shvaha Elena Samskritam patishyati. Okay? Mohini adya kshiram na pibati. What is the meaning? Mohini today do not drinks the milk. Kshiram na pibati. Pibati means to drink. Today, adya mohini kshiram na pibati. Shvaha mohini annam khadishyati. That means tomorrow Mohini eats the rice. Okay. Premamayi adya nartanam na karoti. Na karoti. Karoti means do, to do. Adya prema nartanam na karoti. Karoti means to do. Today, Prema is not doing the dance. Adya Prema Nartanam na karoti. Shvaha prema Gramam gacchati. Gramam means village. Grama is village. Tomorrow, Prema is going to the village. Tomorrow, Shvaha, Prema, Gramam. What Gramam? Then, what Prema?
Gramam Gamishyati.
Very good. Because tomorrow, okay? Shvaha Prema Gramam Gamishyati. That's okay. Natalia Adya Amrapalam Khadati. Okay? Amrapalam means?
Mango.
Mango fruit. Mango fruit. Adya Natalia Popenko. Natalia Adya Amraphalam Kadati. Shvaha Natalia Shalam Nagachati. What is the meaning? Natalia, you have to say, okay? What is the meaning? Tomorrow, Natalia Shalam Nagachati. Tomorrow, she is not going to Shala, is not going to school. Parantu, Parashvaha, Parashvaha means what? Day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow. Parashvaha, Natalia, Shalam, Gamishyati. Okay? Idanim, Yelena Parashvaha iti padam swikritya vadatu. Please use the word Parashvaha.
I'm sorry, I have to say that in 4 minutes the session will end.
4 days after?
4
Do you
minutes,
want?
yes. No, 4 minutes. 4 minutes. In 4 minutes the session will end.
What he says? 4
Скажите,
minutes.
что нужно перезайти будет.
4 days or 4 minutes?
4 minutes. In 4 minutes we will
Okay.
end
Yes.
session.
Yes. Natalia Chaturnimesha Anantaram. After 4 minutes, Shalam Gachati. Not minutes?
No, she says that this session, our lesson on internet is finished in 4 minutes.
Okay. Samichinam. Shvaha kurmaha. Krishnaya Vasudevaya Haraye Paramatmane Pranata Klesha Nashaya Govindaya Namo Namaha Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya Vedase Raghunathaya Nathaya Sitaya Pataye Namaha Hare Namaha Dhanyavada Hare Namaha. We will meet tomorrow. Shvaha Pashyamaha. Tomorrow.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada.
Она показывает.
Ну вот если бы еще понять, где это все находится.
Вот теперь заканчивайте, и когда